In this tutorial, we are going to go through how you will gather data as one step in the process of analyzing ESG performance. The numbers in your data file will be different than the numbers in this tutorial, but the steps will be the same. You do need to follow closely along with what I am showing here. In addition, I am using the tutorial reports for the hotel and lodging industry in this video. You may have reports from a different industry, but the data gathering concepts will be the same as what I show here. Open the file that contains the data template. In this example, I will be using the data template for the hotels and lodging industry. Your data template may be different, but the steps are the same. Your data template may also contain one or more other worksheets. We will only be using the data template worksheet in this tutorial. Open the PDF file or files that contain the ESG report you are analyzing. I will begin by using the ESG report for Hotel A. Your reports may be different, but the steps are the same. You will repeat these upcoming steps for each of the ESG reports you have. Begin reading the report. When you come to numbers, that will be what you are looking for to add to the data template. The first number we encounter in this particular ESG report for Hotel A is the number of room nights available in 2023. That number is 430 million. Navigate to the data template worksheet and find the row for the metric number of available room nights for Hotel A or whatever hotel or organization you are analyzing. Type the data or number into the correct cell in the data template in Excel. Be careful to put it in the correct year column. Repeat with the remaining two numbers for the metric number of available room nights for the remaining 2 years. Remember that the metrics that I am showing here in this tutorial may not be in your data template. Your goal is to fill in every metric for each year in the data template worksheet you are using. When you see the word respectively, it means that the numbers are in the order given. For example, if the sentence reads, "Due to our recent expansions, this number is slightly higher than it was in 2022 and 2021 when our total energy consumed was 8,784,350 and 8,775,048 respectively," that means that 8,784,350 is for 2022 and 8,775,048 is for 2021. The word respectively means to keep the data in the same order as the years are given. Be sure to add percentages to the data template with 2 decimal places. Column E has a reminder for you to do so for each row with a metric that is a percentage. Continue reading the ESG report and adding numbers to the data template as you come to them. Again, your metrics may be different than the ones I'm using as examples here. You may have more metrics or you may have significantly less metrics. You need to find all the data that is listed in your data template. That data will be in your PDF report. If you only have one ESG report, you will be done at this point. However, if you are analyzing more than one company, when you have completed the data template for the first company, move on to the next company. Continue adding numbers to the data template. In this example, I'm adding the numbers for Hotel B using the Hotel B ESG report. Assuming you have 3 companies to analyze, when you have completed the data template for the first and second companies, move on to the third company and continue adding numbers to the data template. In this example, I am adding the numbers for Hotel C using the Hotel C ESG report. When you have completed the data template worksheet, be sure to save your file. You will be starting the next part of this tutorial series with your saved file. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.